So hello guys and welcome back to my channel. This is Amir Kirtikar and I'm a first year MBBS student at GMC Mumbai. In today's video, we'll be busting some of the most known myths about MBBS. Actually, I made a story on my Instagram account asking y'all that what all myths do you think about MBBS exist, and please put them, and I got quite a few. So I've selected a few and I'm going to answer them for you all now. Okay, so the first myth is asked by Captain Ajay 6079. MBBS कॉलेज में लोग पढ़ाई भी करते हैं. Well, it's kind of true. हाँ, MBBS कॉलेज में पढ़ना तो पड़ेगा यार, because 5 साल बाद डॉक्टर बनना है, लोगों की जान हमारे हाथ में है, तो पढ़ना तो पड़ेगा of course. But I won't say कि people study in MBBS college for 24/7. There are people who study for 24/7, but again बहुत सारे लोग ऐसे भी होते हैं जो सिर्फ एग्जाम तक के लिए पढ़ाई करते हैं. ठीक है. Second myth is asked about Gaurav Marlewar. That is about ragging. Okay, so ragging MBBS कॉलेज में होती है? हाँ, तो होती है. मतलब मैंने तो ऑलमोस्ट जितने लोगों को पूछा मेरे कॉलेज और लोगों को रैगिंग होती है. बट द गुड थिंग अबाउट रैगिंग इज दैट रैगिंग कई बार सिर्फ मस्ती मजाक के लेवल तक ही रहती है, कई बार ज़्यादा सीरियस नहीं होती रैगिंग. सो इट्स नॉट अ थिंग टू वरी अबाउट. But yes, if in your college you think that the ragging is going above a limit, then you should approach the higher authorities. And दूसरी बात ऐसी भी है कि people believe that ragging is a good way of interacting with your seniors. Okay, so the next myth is by Vishal Shinde. Depressed throughout 5 years of journey due to studies and upcoming entrances for PG. Well, I won't say कि MBBS is only depressing. Yes, of course, exams का time बहुत stressful होता है, बहुत burnout वगैरह होता है. But I won't say that it is all the time depressing. Yes, of course, becoming a doctor does involve a lot of exams, because I guess that it is a quite sought after profession, and इसलिए exams वगैरह इतनी होती है. But yes, PG के ख्याल से we are many times anxious and stressed. मतलब first year में तो इतना stress नहीं होता, but as and when you are in your second year and you start approaching your third years and your final years, the stress about PG entrance exams does get does increase. And then you have to plan your career, because it's the thing कि by the time you complete your MBBS हम लोग 24 हो जाते हैं already, 23-24 years, and thanks to COVID की लाइफ का 1 साल पहले ही वैसे भी गया है. ठीक है, तो इसीलिए तो ये थोड़ा बहुत स्ट्रेस होता है. बट आई वोंट से इट इज ऑलवेज डिप्रेसिंग. अगर तुम पढ़ाई कर रहे हो तो इतनी भी डिप्रेसिंग नहीं होती है, स्ट्रेसफुल होती है. येस. द नेक्स्ट मिथ इज बाय वेंकी_18. MBBS झाल्यावर लाईफ खूप निवांत आहे. लॉल, लाईक कोविड पॅन्डेमिक हॅज प्रूव्ड की डॉक्टर्स कितना काम करते हैं दुनिया में. सो आई डोंट थिंक की MBBS झाल्यावर लाईफ खूप निवांत आहे. ऑफकोर्स, अँड लाईफ निवांत नसली पाहिजे. लाईक जर आपल्या लोकांना निवांत लाईफ आवडत असती ना, तो वी वुड हॅव एन्जॉयड कोविड पॅन्डेमिक अ लॉट. बट आय डोंट थिंक दॅट we as humans are created for a very senile life. We are created for a more happening life. So निवांत तर of course नहीं है life. Of course, life has its own challenges even after MBBS, because people think MBBS के बाद everything is sorted, but no, there are so many things. You have to give a PG exam, then you have to get into some PG course, then then you have to work hard over there, then you have to, if you want further academic career, then you have to do your fellowship. After that you have to find a job, then after that work in the hospital. Initially while you're junior doctors, you have to work a lot. After that, after a few years, निवांत लाईफ इन दॅट पर्स्पेक्टिव्ह आय वुड से की नॉर्मली 40s नंतर बोलू शकतो, 35-40s नंतर एकदा आपलं असं क्लिनिक वगैरेचं झालं किंवा जर एखाद्या चांगल्या हॉस्पिटलमध्ये जॉब लागला, सो आफ्टर दॅट यू कॅन एक्सपेक्ट अ निवांत लाईफ. That it's so much fun to be a medico. Oh yeah, that's so true. This is by Smriti_Jha_07. That yes, it is indeed very fun to be a medico. At least I have thoroughly enjoyed my first year at medical college at my college, that is GMC Mumbai. Yes. And I would say that there are different aspects of a doctor's life. Like there is while you're a medical doctor, while you're a student, you're becoming a doctor, you have like your college, you have so much activities going on in college, you have your friends, which are a great way of stress busting. Yes. Then there is another one by Vaibhav_Kimdare. It's too easy. No yaar, MBBS is not easy. And I guess that another of my friend, that is Umang Udeshi, also said the same thing, that it's easy. Damn not. MBBS is seriously not easy. From the day of starting preparing for NEET UG to the day you get your PG, like your PG seat and you complete with the PG, MBBS is never easy. And it's a huge journey, and you learn a lot. Like, it's not easy, but it's interesting, it's fun. Okay. द नेक्स्ट वन इज बाय brown_boy87। बहुत ज़्यादा पैसा है बेटा MBBS के बाद। नहीं, अगेन आई वुड से कि एटलीस्ट इन कंट्री लाइक इंडिया तो इतना ज़्यादा पैसा भी नहीं है जितनी बात बताई जाती है। MBBS के बाद तो डेफिनेटली नहीं है, बिकॉज अगर हम लोग अभी देखने जाए लाइक अ फ्यू ईयर्स बैक, लाइक 15-20 ईयर्स बैक, MBBS डॉक्टर की वैल्यू काफ़ी ज़्यादा थी, मतलब मार्केट वैल्यू जिसको हम लोग बोलते हैं ना, वो एक MBBS डॉक्टर की मार्केट वैल्यू काफ़ी ज़्यादा थी। बट नाउ ओइंग टू द कॉम्पिटिशन एंड like owing to the number of people who are becoming doctors and all of that in a country and the developing medical facilities, the competition has increased and इतना ज़्यादा पैसा नहीं है MBBS के बाद। all what you can do after MBBS is तुम एक सादा सा क्लिनिक खोल सकते हो, एक फैमिली फिजिशियन बन सकते हो। एंड हमें तो पता है कि फैमिली फिजिशियंस को मतलब इतना पैसा नहीं मिलता कंपैरेटिवली, अगर बिकॉज उनकी विजिटिंग फीस कितनी होते हैं, एनीवेयर बिटवीन 80 रुपीज़ to 150 रुपीज़ होते हैं एक फैमिली फिजिशियन की विजिटिंग फ़ी। तो अगर तुम लोग कैलकुलेट करो तो वो भी एक नॉर्मल जितना एक एन एजुकेटेड इंडियन जितना कमाता है उतना ही कमाता है एक MBBS डॉक्टर। यस, अगर तुम अच्छी स्पेशलिटी में PG करते हो, जैसे कि स्पेशलिटीज़ लाइक रेडियोलॉजी और समथिंग लाइक डर्मेटोलॉजी, तो उसमें बहुत पैसा है, मतलब कॉस्मेटिक सर्जरीज वगैरह। ऑफकोर्स दैट इज इन्वेजिव एज वेल, मतलब उतना सीखना भी पड़ता है, बट उसमें पैसे है काफ़ी। फिर मतलब डर्मेटोलॉजी, कॉस्मेटोलॉजी, रेडियोलॉजी, ऐसे स्पेशलिटीज़ में पैसे है, बट मेहनत भी उतनी ही है एंड PG सीट उसकी मिलना भी उतनी मुश्किल है। लॉट्स ऑफ रिलेशनशिप्स इन मेड स्कूल। This is asked by Siddhant Paik Rao. Well, I will choose not to comment on this because I won't say, first of all, relationships are, it depends up to you, what kind of a person you are. I know people जो medical school में आकर भी single है, पहले भी single थे। कुछ लोग हैं जो पहले भी धोखे खाते थे, अभी भी धोखे ही खा रहे हैं। कुछ लोग हैं जो पहले भी अच्छे ही थे, जिनको पहले भी लोग ऐसे मिल जाते थे, अभी भी लोग मिल रहे हैं। So it depends on what kind of a person you are. Lots of relationships in med school. I guess a same thing was asked by _Munna_official. I don't know who is this person, but yes, relationships. So it was again asked by the same person ki like another person also ki relationships. So I would suggest it's quite subjective. सबको ही मिलते हैं या फिर सबको ही नहीं मिलते, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है। Again, it depends on what kind of a person you are. And पहली बात तो also कि तुम्हारे मेडिकल कॉलेज में गर्ल्स टू बॉयज़ का रेशो कितना है। Megha_1005_ has asked that it's way too difficult. I won't say it's way too difficult. Of course, many people are there in the world who have completed their MBBS. That means it's accomplishable. Of course, we can do it. But yes, it requires a lot of consistent hard work. A lot of, you have to put in a lot of efforts into your work. And, I would suggest that studying your MBBS right from the first day sincerely, nothing like that. And yeah, this is the thing that, if you are sincere to your job, if you're sincere to your work, then of course, in the end, you will be paid off well, and you will end up in a good place in your life. But yes, it's not way too difficult. It's difficult, but I won't say that it's something like, जो पढ़ा ही नहीं जा सकता, मतलब there are many resources, and at least जो ज़माने में हम लोग रह रहे हैं, we have YouTube, then we have so many resources like, Marrow है, Prep Ladder है, बहुत सारे resources हैं, कॉलेज के टीचर्स होते हैं, अभी तो मतलब टेक्नोलॉजी भी काफ़ी डेवलप्ड है, तो you can you can study MBBS well, even if अगर कॉलेज में एक आध टीचर अच्छा नहीं पढ़ा था तो बाकी टीचर्स तो होते ही है, उसके अलावा ऑनलाइन रिसोर्सेज भी बहुत है, फ्रेंड्स हैं। सो येस, इट इज़ अकॉम्प्लिशेबल, but just you have to be sincere and you have to put in efforts, that's all. So I guess this was all for today. If you like the video and if you want me to do more videos like this, then put it in the comment section below. Don't forget to like the video, don't forget to share it with your other friends, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel, that is Medico Musician. And if you have any doubts about NEET or anything about, like, you can message me on my Instagram account, that is @_medicomusician_. Till then, I'll see you all in the next video. Okay, by the way, I also took my third vaccine this Tuesday, so I took it over here. So tell me if you all want to hear a video about vaccination, COVID vaccination, and I guess the vaccine for your age group has already begun. So please do get vaccinated. Either one of them is fine, but do get vaccinated. Okay. So see you all in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye. See ya.